In this video, we will discuss how to trade the Nadex binary options from the chart. To get started, we will first need to open up the Nadex binary window. To do this, click on Binaries along the top and then Nadex Trader. When this opens up, we need to select the contract that we would like to trade from the symbol dropdown. In this example, we will look at the E-mini S&P 500. Once we've selected the contract, go along to the right and click on Options Chart Trader. This will open up the chart. First, I will go over what each of the fields means on this chart. Then I will show you how to place a trade. In the top left corner, we have the underlying future symbol. In this case, it is the E-mini S&P 500 for June of 2012. Next, we have a drop down with the number of days that you can show on the chart. Next to that, we have a drop down with the different types of charts that you can show. After that is the interval for what type of chart you would like to view. Finally, we have a drop down with the list of indicators that you can use. To add an indicator to the chart, you simply select it from the drop-down, in this case the moving average, and then click on the plus just to the right of that. Once you click on the plus, you'll be prompted to enter your parameters. In this case, we will leave it at 14, and then click OK. Once we select the parameters, we will now see the moving average indicator on the chart. If you would like to hide this field, if you do not plan to make changes or after you've made your changes, you no longer want to see this, you can simply click on the red X and it will hide that panel. If you'd like to get it back, click on the O and it will appear again. Underneath the panel we just discussed, we will see the quotes for the underlying future. Here we have the last, high, low, and the bid and ask. Below is the chart for the underlying future, and along the right are the different strikes for the E-mini S&P 500 for the Nadex binaries. If you'd like to see more, you can simply left click on the price pane and drag your mouse up or down to show more. And along the bottom is the volume for the underlying futures. This will always show, but you can move it down to hide it to show more of the chart area. Now let's take a look at the order panel along the right side. The first thing you will need to do if you'd like to trade from this panel is to enable it. Once we click on the enabled box, you'll see the buy and sell market buttons go from gray to blue and red. Underneath, we will have the list of all the different strikes that you can trade. If we change it to the 1400, you will see over on the chart the 1400 strike becomes bold. This will tell you which binary option you are trading. If we change it back to the 1394, we will see that become bold. Underneath that drop down is your current position. Right now we are flat in the market. If you had an open working order, it would tell you what that order was, and if you were in a position, it would tell you what that is. Underneath that is the default quantity. This is the quantity that will be placed when you click on any of the buttons below. Underneath that, we have the current bid and ask for the selected binary option that we have from this drop-down. To the right of that, we have the market adjustment. What this is market orders are really synthetic market orders. In reality, they are limit orders where the limit price is through the best bid or offer by some number of dollars. By default, this number is 5, but you can change it to anything you would like. The concept here is that to ensure that you actually get filled, you will be sending a buy order that has a limit price higher than the current ask price, or a sell order with a limit price which is lower than the current bid price. If you would like more information on how this buy market and sell market option works with the market adjustment, you can click on the F1 key on your keyboard and it will take us to this section. Here we can click on the information for the binary options, and it explained in detail on how to use this feature. If you would like to place a market order or a synthetic market order, simply check on this box and set the synthetic market adjustment factor to the value you would like. Underneath the market adjustment, we have the order buttons. We have buy market and sell market, which will place a limit order based off of this market adjustment factor above, or you can click on the buy ask, sell ask, buy bid, sell bid based off of the current price. You can also set a limit order based off of a specific price below, simply typing in the price that you would like and then placing buy limit, or the same for sell limit. Underneath that, we have the button to cancel all of your orders. Underneath that, we have checkboxes to show our positions or orders. You can filter this by showing only certain orders you'd like to see. Or if you select no preference, it will show all of your orders. If you'd like to show only your Nadex trades, you can put a check in this, and if we select orders, it will show you only your Nadex orders and none of the underlying futures trades you may have. Finally, the quick trade. If we check this, and then you must hold down the control key, you will see quick trade highlighted above. Now if we click on buy market or any of these buttons to place an order, there will be no confirmation and the order will go in immediately. As soon as you let go of the control button, you will see quick trade go away, even though the quick trade is still enabled. Let me show you how this works. Even though we have it checked and we click on buy market, we'll be asked for a confirmation to send the order. If I hold the control button down, we will see quick trade above. Now if I click on buy market, the order went in immediately. This function only works when you have the quick trade checked and you hold the control key down when you place your order. Now that we're filled in the market, you'll see that I have a long one position, and we'll see it over on the chart as well. If we wanted to see it in the position window, I put a check in the position and we will see it below.